Hi everyone, welcome to my course. My name is Liao Yuan, your professional Chinese teacher. Today we're going to talk about department store. We're going to learn words and characters related to it. And if you're interested in our course, please subscribe our channel, go through our website, and we're going to upload hundreds of courses about Chinese daily usage. And if you have any suggestion about our course, just comment below. And let's start our course today. First of all, we have these 4 new characters. 百货大楼. I think we have learned in store, and we have learned 大 in opposite. We have learned 楼 in housing. 大, which means big, very important characters. Remember it. And 楼 means house, building. And look at this. This part of 楼 characters means wood, because in ancient time, most all of the houses built with wood. So they use this part. And then 百 means hundreds. And 货 means commodity. So this is a huge building with hundreds of commodity. Maybe thousands and which means department store. 百货大楼, please. Remember 百 third tone, 货 first tone, 大 first tone, 楼 second tone. Read after me. 百货大楼，百货大楼。Again. 百货大楼。And then first we have escalator. 自动扶梯。自 means by itself, self, and 动 means move. 自动 means move by itself, which means automatic. And 扶 here is a verb, which means that you help something, support something with your hand. And when you're using escalator, you should use your hands. You should put your hand to support yourself, to stand still on it. So 扶, this is a verb. And there's no directly translation in English. And T means ladder. So this is an automatic ladder that you need to use your hands to support yourself. And T here, again, look at this part. We have learned it, which means wood. Because in ancient time, we only have ladder that is made out of wood. So that is how it comes. 自动扶梯。自动扶梯。自动means automatic, self-moving, which means it can move itself. 自动扶梯. And then appliance, 家用电器. 家用电器. 家 means home, 用 use, 电 electronic, 器 appliance. 家用电器. 家用电器. So those are electronic devices, appliances that you use in your house. 家用电器. 家 flat tone, 用电器 first tone. 家用电器. And then cosmetics. 化妆品. 化妆品. 化妆 we have learned, which means makeup. 品 means product. So product that you use to do makeup is cosmetics. And then jewelry, 珠宝首饰。珠宝首饰。珠宝首饰。珠 flat tone, 宝 third tone, 首 third tone, 饰 first tone. 珠宝首饰。珠宝首饰. And then we have diamond, 钻石。钻石。钻石。钻 first tone, 石 second tone. We have learned 石 before, which means stone. 钻石。钻石. And then ring, 戒指。戒指。戒指。戒 first tone, 指 light tone. 戒指. And then necklace, 项链。 项链，项 here means neck. 项链，项链 and earring, 耳环，耳环 R, third tone, which means ear. 环 second tone, ring. 耳环，耳环，耳环 and then bracelet. 手镯，手镯 Most of the bracelet in China is made of jade. 手镯，手镯，手镯，手 third tone, 镯 second tone. Watch, watches. 手表，手表 This is my favorite brand. 手表，手表 Remember, don't pronounce it as 手表. When there is 3 third tone, you should pronounce the first one into second tone. 手表，手表，手表 And then sunglasses. 太阳镜，太阳 sun. 太阳镜 first tone. 太阳镜，太阳镜 And then wallet. 钱包，钱包，钱包 We have learned 钱 before, which means money. 包 bag, so money bag. 钱 second tone. 钱包，钱包 And what does this part mean? This one means that indicates that this character is related to metal because some money are made out of. Because in ancient time and long ago, like all of the money currency are made of metal. And then 皮包，皮包，皮 leather, 包 bag again. 皮包，皮 second tone, 包 flat tone. 皮包，皮包 And then men's clothing, 男装，男装，男装 We have learned both of these two characters before. 男 men, 装 clothes. So men's clothing, 男装 And women's clothing, 女装，女装，女装 Children's clothing, 童装 second tone, 童装，童装 And then scarf, 围巾，围巾，围巾，围 second tone, 围，围，围巾 flat tone, 巾，围巾，围巾，围巾 And then 领带 ties, 领带，领带 Read after me. 领带，领带，领 third tone, 领带，带 first tone. Read after me. 领带 So this is course day. We have learned a lot of new characters and new words. And don't forget to check the homework. If you have any suggestion about course, please comment below. And don't forget to subscribe our channel, go to our website. Bye.